Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun right here. I quickly want to show you how you can increase your buy hash rates. I actually, got this information somewhere and I was like, is this true or not? So later I tried it out and it actually increased what I mine per hour, because this was around 0.10 or 0.11 thereabouts, I can't remember. And right now it's now on 0.22, though by the time these guys are coming back online, those who are not active come back, it will actually increase. But this strategy that I actually want to show you right now, it will help you to grow what you will be mining per hour. So now this is how it actually works. We want to come to this 3 horizontal line. We want to click on that. We want to come to Pi utility here. Then once you tap on Pi utility, you will see profile right here. What you need to do is just to tap on that profile. Once you tap on that profile, then it's cancelled. You have to wait for it to load. Then it's loading. Now it's already here. Okay. Now, so this is what we are going to do. We can grow these together. If you're watching this video and you have not done this before, what you actually need is just to follow someone, and that person follow you back. Then this will start increasing what you be mining per hour. Okay, so for example, now this is my own username. So you need to do is just to type my own username right here. Okay, you can see HIC dollar. You type it there, then click on search. So what you need to do is just to follow me. You see follow. Okay, let me try another person. Saradov. So as you can see, I just search for Saradov right here and it's come out like this. It will show that person's profile. What you need to do is just to click on follow. That's all. If you click on follow, you can also send friend request. All right, so immediately you do that for me. So you type in my own username to your own, then just follow me and send friend request to me. Immediately you do that, just go down to the comment section below of this video and type your own username, Pi username there. Type your Pi username on comment section below. Immediately you do this, then I will come and check it and also follow you back. So with this, you grow what you mine per hour and it will grow at my hands as well. So that is basically how this works. A lot of pioneers has been actually using this for some days now, and it's helping them growing what they can mine per hour every day. So if you like this video, just click on like button, click on the subscription button and notification bell, so that if you get an update immediately I'm publishing it to this channel. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.